Ever tried making pav buns using a mix of whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour? Well, today I gave it a try and the result turned out so soft, fluffy and perfect. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am sharing my trial batch of half whole wheat and half all-purpose pav buns, and they came out way better than I expected. So let's get started. So start by combining equal parts of all-purpose flour and whole wheat flour. This mix gives the buns a light yet wholesome texture. To this add sugar, active dry yeast and milk powder and give it a quick mix. Now knead the dough using milk, and once it starts coming together, drizzle in some olive oil and continue kneading. I am kneading the dough in my stand mixer until the dough turns smooth, soft and slightly sticky. That's exactly what makes the buns so fluffy. Once done, cover the dough and let it rest for its first proofing. After about an hour, it has risen beautifully, light and airy. Punch out the air from the dough. Now comes my favorite part, shaping. I am dividing the dough into small portions, about 30 to 40 grams each, and shaping them into neat smooth balls. All the shaped buns go onto a lined baking tray placed close to each other so they rise and bake with those soft pull apart sides we love in pav buns. Cover them for the second proofing for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Once the buns are doubled in size, give it a generous milk wash on the top. By the time, preheat your oven. Now bake them in a preheated oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until the top turn beautifully golden brown. As soon as they are baked and they are out of the oven, brush them generously with butter. This gives that glossy, soft crust and keeps the buns moist. Now cover the buns with a kitchen towel until they come at room temperature. Once cooled to room temperature, look at that texture, so soft and pillowy. For a trial using half whole wheat flour and half all-purpose flour, I am really happy with how these turned out. Perfect to enjoy with pav bhaji, vada or just a dab of butter. If you would like to try this recipe yourself, I have shared all the detailed measurements and steps in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. And if you love baking pav buns as much as I do, you can also explore my other pav recipes. I have linked them below too. Each one has its own little twist, so do take a look. This experiment was a total success and I am definitely making these again. If you enjoyed this recipe and love simple baking trials like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more homemade baking goodness. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, happy baking!